Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a fun animated children's story using just Canva. This isn't just something you can make for fun. This can actually be turned into an entire YouTube niche. Children's story time and animation videos are some of the most profitable niches on YouTube because parents are always looking for new, safe and creative content for their kids to watch. So what I'm teaching you today isn't just a design trick, it's the exact kind of video that could grow into a full YouTube channel and potentially earn you thousands, even millions if you stay consistent. Let's get into it. First, we are going to open Canva. On the left hand side, you see a big plus sign. Click on it, then click on videos right here and choose landscape. Now this will be the base of our animated story. Now on the left tab, click elements. In the search bar at the top, type ocean background. You see different options appear under graphics. Click see all and choose one that you like for your first scene. Now resize it so that it fills the entire page. There are two options. If you are using the Pro version, you can just click on it twice and click on resize whole page and it's going to resize it automatically. If you don't have the Pro version, you can just extend it. Okay, so make sure it looks natural and engaging, because this is going to set the stage for animated story. Next, let's bring in our main character. In the search bar, type moving turtle animation. Again, click see all and select one of the animated options. Once it's on the canvas, resize it to fit the scene. If it's facing the wrong way, click on the turtle, then go up to flip and select flip horizontal so it looks like it's swimming across the screen. Now position it on the left side so it looks like it's entering the scene. This is going to be the hero of our story. Now we don't want just a plain ocean. Let's bring the story to life. Go back to elements and search for moving reef animation. Add one or two to the bottom of the scene, resize and position them naturally. To make it even more fun, I'm going to add a jellyfish. I'll also add a crab right here and a little fish right here. So you can add as many things as you want in there. You just have to play around with positioning until it looks like a lively underwater scene. This is the kind of detail kids love and exactly why parents put these videos on repeat for them. Now let's animate our turtle. Click on the turtle, then at the top click animate. Now we are going to choose this busy bee right here. How we are going to animate this is, so click and drag your turtle while you create a path you want your turtle to swim. While you're doing this, make sure to hold the shift button to make the line smoother. Now I'll keep mine steady so the turtle just glides across the screen. That's the only changes that I'll be making. Once you're done, hit done. If you're enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. It helps this channel grow and lets me keep making more tutorials that help you turn creativity into profit. Now let's keep building our story. Click on the text in the left tab, then choose add header. Type in your story text. For example, I'll write swim swim Bob. Make sure to change the font color so that it pops up on the blue background. Now resize it and position it at the top of the screen. Now let's preview the first scene. This looks great, right? Now instead of starting from scratch every time, let's duplicate the page. Click the three dots right here and choose duplicate page. For scene 2, delete the background and search for another ocean background in elements. Make sure to position it well. Click on the three dots right here and click on set image as background. Now for my first scene, I think I'm going to change the background. I want something more lively, something colorful. So I'm going to delete it and search for ocean background again, and I'll choose a more colorful and vibrant background. Now I'll change the text to swim swim to baby Jim. Make sure to adjust the colors if needed so it stands out. Now let's play both scenes together. Now you've got a mini story forming. For scene 3, duplicate again. This time shrink the turtle a little bit so it looks like it's swimming higher. Change the text to swim swim fast, or you can change it to swim swim high. Now for scene 4, duplicate again and position the turtle lower. Now you can change the text to swim swim low. So for our 5th scene, we are going to duplicate the page again. Now let's make our turtle normal, and we can change the text to swim swim everywhere you go. And now for our final scene, duplicate again and change the text to swim swim to baby Jim. Now for our last scene, I want the turtle to be swimming down. So what we are going to do is click on it and click on animate. And we are going to click on the busy bee again. Then we are going to control how it's going to swim. Okay, so I'm going to draw the lines towards the bottom. Once you're done, click on the turtle again and duplicate it. Reduce the size and flip it the other way. Now we are going to make this the baby Jim. Now let's add an ocean sound to this. We are going to click on the music sign right here. In the search bar, search for ocean sound. A lot is going to come. Choose the one that you are drawn to. Now if the sound is not long enough, you are going to go back to the music and choose the same sound and adjust it to your video. Now let's add a little animation to our text to make it more lively. So you are going to click on the text, click on animate and choose your animation style. There are so many to choose from. Choose the one that you are okay with. Make sure on each page you animate the text in order for them to synchronize. Once you're satisfied with your video, make sure to click the share right here and make sure that your video is MP4 video, then click on download. And just like that, you've created your very first animated children's story in Canva. But here's the thing, don't just stop at one. This type of content is perfect for a children's YouTube channel, which can be monetized and scaled into a real business. Children's content is one of the biggest niches on YouTube and is not going anywhere. Parents are constantly looking for fun, safe videos for their kids, and you can be the one providing it. So start today, be consistent, and you could be sitting on a channel that earns you thousands, even millions, while entertaining kids all over the world. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share it, and drop a comment below telling me what kind of children's story you want to see next. Ocean adventures, outer space, dinosaurs, the possibilities are endless. I'll see you in the next one.